Before we get started, if you're having problems with motivation and inspiration and you need help, click the link in the description section below for my free 5-day Get Moving, Get Motivated challenge. Right now, we're going to work on this total body, so let's get it. All right, ladies, so before we get started, you know we got to warm up. So the first exercise, we're going to reach up, touch our knees, toes. All right, we have this 8 times. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3. Take your time. Make sure you breathe in. 4, 5, 6. We got 2 more. 7, last one. 8. Good job. All right, next exercise, we have jumping jacks. All right, we're going to do 8 jumping jacks. If you can't do it the regular way, you can do it this way. All right, we're going to do 8. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, the next exercise, we have alternating crunches. All right, so you're going to stand, bring your knee to your elbow. All right, opposite arm, opposite leg. We have this 8 times. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. All right, the last warm-up exercise, we have push-ups. All right, so you're going to get down slowly. All right, you're going to come all the way out. If you can't do the regular push-up, you can stay on your knees and go down and back up. All right, so we got 8 push-ups. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, good job. All right, so you're going to go ahead and do this 2 more times. After that, make sure you're taking a break in between, and we'll be right back. All right, ladies, so the first exercise that we're going to do, we got kettlebell swings. All right, so we're going to do both arms. All right, you're going to sit back, poke your butt out, chest up, head forward, and you're going to swing. Bring it back down, swing. All right, so we got this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, so the next one we have the same thing, kettlebell swing, but we're doing single arm, okay? So we're gonna start with the right arm first. Sit back and swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, you're gonna do the same on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, so you're gonna take a break, get some water. We'll be right back. All right, ladies, so the next exercise, we're gonna do squats using the kettlebell. You're gonna go all the way down, touch the floor, and bring it back up. All right, so we have this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 3 more. 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, so the next exercise we have. All right, so we're gonna go into a squat position. All right, and we're just gonna press and bring it back down. All right, we have this 8 times. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, go ahead, take a break, get some water. We'll be right back. All right, ladies, welcome back. All right, so the next exercise, we're gonna get into a lunge position. All right, and we're just gonna single arm press. All right, we have 8 on each side. All right, ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're gonna go ahead and switch. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 8. Good job. All right, the next exercise. All right, we're gonna take the kettlebell and we're gonna twist. Bring it opposite arm, opposite side. Twist. All right, and when you twist, make sure you pivot your foot and bring it back forward. All right, we got this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 8. All right, go ahead and switch sides. Ready? All right, go ahead and switch sides, okay? Left side going to the right. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 2 more. 7. Last one. 8. Good job. All right, go ahead and take a break. We'll be right back with the last 2 exercises. All right, ladies, the last 2 exercises, you're gonna get on your back. All right, go down slowly. All right, and we're gonna do scissors, and we're gonna hold the kettlebell as we're doing the scissors. All right, we have this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, the last exercise, bringing your knee up and back down. All right, keeping your feet off the floor. If you can't, you can drop your feet down, bringing your knee up and down. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 8. Good job. All right, so that completes the workout. Go ahead and do that 2 more rounds. Make sure you take a break, drink some water in between. And again, if you're having problems with motivation and inspiration and you need help, just click the link for my free 5-day Get Moving, Get Motivated challenge and let me help you. All right, until then, I'll see you ladies on the next workout.